Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so if you didn't have a chance to check out the webcast from last night, it was an evening webcast, and I combined it with a little bit of a mini webinar on how I think of risk markers and how I think of entries and multiple entries in the mini. And that can apply to just about anything, but especially to the ES. So if you're interested in that, it's last night's evening webcast. Check that out. It's on the website. It's up on social. So today, in about 11 minutes, we get the jobless claims. That's absolutely gonna move the needle. We're still fighting over the 50. We're still fighting over the roundy, and the Bears had a decent start of it last night. But then they really, then they just lay down and go do, 28.06 quarter, which is fine. I would be more fine with it if it was a lower high versus here. It's a higher high, which really just puts this number that's coming up in 10 minutes into the lap of the bulls. And if it's a number that they want to buy, you could potentially end up with support at the hourly mid-band. And if you take out this 06, then you have a chance to head back and move up towards 28.46. If they dump it out, then you're going to have to break the Globex lows last night down at 27.46. And at that point, it opens the 9-day down at 27.18. So as we head into this number, there's a couple different things that could happen. We were short from the close yesterday at 77, 78 area. We took some nice profits on it. We left the runner to run with an even stop overnight, and what happens, what usually happens to me is I get stopped out overnight, but that's fine. It's a situation now where with this data point, unless there's other big data points that are going to come out over the news stream today, tomorrow, the reaction to this data point and the follow through is pretty much going to define the direction for the rest of the week, potentially. So the Bears had a real opportunity yesterday to really progress. They did that. I don't like the walk up here, but they can fix that with a negative reaction to this jobless, the jobless claims number in about 9 minutes. You've got volume weighted average price 27.77. I mentioned the hourly midband right here at 74.75. Our proprietary moving average is at 86. So 74 to 86 could be a battle zone. If you win that zone, then in my opinion, you win the next move. So let's see what happens here at 8:30, and we'll go from there. So everybody have a good day. We'll have some charts, some more stuff out on social. Check out the webcast last night. Be healthy, be safe, take care. Come check out the room. Trade them well. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.